What's up, king and queens? Welcome to my channel. My name is actually I have like a lot of names. Where I work, I go by Rose. My real name is Iselia, and people call me Icy on Instagram, Snapchat. I am California Queen with 2 A's. Today I'm going to be doing a little mini tutorial on my eyebrows and my eyeliner. It's not super duper good because I didn't really know my angles. Like I would literally be, you'll see me in the video, I'll be like attempting to, you know, go like this and my hand will literally be right in front of the camera. So I definitely need to get that worked out. But yeah, I'm super excited on this channel. I really want it to be beauty based, whether it's me doing my makeup, me, you know, doing my hair. And I also want to do vlogs. I haven't really decided yet whether I want to do like a separate channel for vlogging and then just have this one for makeup, or just combined it all in one. Let me know what you think in the comment section. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment. Let me know what you want to see in the future from me. Also, I'll have in the description box as well my Instagram and my Snapchat. I have a Twitter. I'm not super duper active on it. I really don't know how to use it, to be honest. But yeah, so I'm really excited to do YouTube. I'm really excited, you know, just all the opportunities that it's gonna open for me, all the doors it's gonna open for me. Yeah, I'm really excited. So right now I have a bare face. Before I go in with any type of makeup, I like to go and just apply the Clinique Moisture. It's really good, especially because I have like kind of dry skin, so it's easier to apply my makeup, especially my eyebrows. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the medium brown pomade by Anastasia Beverly Hills. So what I like to do is underline my eyebrow. Let me see. Underline the bottom. And then I'm just gonna brush up lightly. So it's okay if it's like a little messy because we're about to go in and clean it up with some concealer. I really like Tarte Shape Tape. That is like my go-to concealer. So now I'm gonna go in with the Tarte Shape Tape. Tarte Shape Tape in the color tan, and then just a basic concealer brush. Alright, and then I just like to take a little bit on the wand and get a good amount, not too much, not too less. That's fine, just like that. We are going to underline the eyebrow first. So now we've underlined the under eyebrow. Now we are going to go in and overline the top. So that's what one eyebrow looks like, cleaned up, nice and clean cut. I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye and then I'll be right back. This is the outcome. It was really simple. I finished my eyebrows in like 5 minutes, but if I stop doing my eyebrows for some time, then it takes like 20 minutes to accomplish the perfect brow. So just to go over it a little bit, I just literally went with concealer and underlined my under eye, and then I underlined my top eye. My top eye I really couldn't show you guys on the camera because literally like I would be like all like this because I'm looking at a mirror that's on this side. I am also going to show you how I prime my lids. The The way I prime my lids, 2 simple steps. Literally, I just get the same concealer that I went in to clean my eyebrows with, and I just paint my eyelid just like this. And I prime my lid whether or not I am gonna do eyeshadow, just so it still looks clean when I do my eyeliner. Makes it look very, very nice. It looks a little bit funny right now, but once I blend it in, it's gonna look better. I know my beauty blender is a little beat up. My dog loves to get a hold of my beauty blender and chew it, so yeah, I gotta get a new one. Make all the concealer pretty even. Then I'm gonna go in with a translucent powder. I like to use Laura Mercier. So now for eyeliner, I'm going to use the Revlon Color Stay Skinny. You guys can see that. Literally, this eyeliner is super cheap. I think it's only like $6 from Walmart. Don't go to Ulta, because Ulta, it's like $2 more. I mean, if you don't really care about the $2, then when I do the wing eyeliner, I like to start my wing as far as I'm gonna go, and then I bring it in. And you may notice as I go more out, I start to get a little bit lighter on the hand, just so it doesn't look like a really harsh line and more like it's fading out. And I just bring it in just like that. Let's see. Okay. Okay, and then I go in my eye. Alright, so I did my outline. Now I'm just gonna fill it in. And I know they say eyeliner has to be perfect, but when you got Q-tips, boo-boo, nothing needs to be perfect. Our eyeshadow looks pretty good. I mean eyeliner. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this eye, and then I'll be right back. Both eyes are done. Eyebrows and eyeliner. I try my best to make it look as good as possible. Nothing's perfect, and I realize that. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and hop in with Be Gaudy eyelashes. I get these from the makeup parlor in Stockton. These are called Nefertiti. I'm probably saying it wrong, but whatever, it's okay. Anyways, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply these on my eyes. I'm also going to try my best to show you how to apply them. Not that I don't know how to apply them, but just because it's kind of hard to look in the mirror and make sure that the camera gets the shot. So I love wispy eyelashes because they look more natural, and especially when I'm doing dramatic looks. Here's the eyelash. Can you guys see that? Anyways, so for the glue, I am going to use Duo Dark Tone, so when it dries up, it doesn't look clear, it doesn't look white, it looks dark. So it's going to blend in with my eyeliner, so it's going to look great. Before I do my apply my eyelashes, I'm going to go in with this mascara. I actually got it from an Ipsy bag. Oh, the glare is killing it. Anyways, I got it from an Ipsy bag. It's called Unlashed by Wander Beauty. When you apply your lash glue, you're gonna want to make sure that your lash glue is nice and thin. You don't want it to be thick, because then if it's thick, it's gonna be super obvious that you're wearing falsies. I'm gonna apply a little bit of mascara. And I swear, don't mind my ugly face. Faces be the ugliest when you're doing anything like eyeliner or mascara on your eye. I'm not a big mascara fan, honestly. I'll really use any mascara. It doesn't matter to me. As long as it lifts a little bit, I am all good. Just enough so that the eyelashes can stick. A lot of people apply eyelashes with tweezers. I just use my nails. They work just as good. This is the finished look with the eyes. I'm gonna go in and apply my foundation, contour, blush, highlight, the whole shebang, and I'll be right back. Guys, so this is the finished look. I decided to go with something a little bit more, you know, classic, plain. I didn't want to really take away from the video since I decided it really wouldn't be necessary to do an introduction video, only because you guys don't really know what my channel is about. Like, who's just gonna click on an introduction video? So anyways, I just did, you know, full beat on the face, kind of. I didn't want my contour to be too drastic. I also wanted to say that it really has been a long time coming. If you follow me, especially on Instagram, I do have a separate makeup page. I did really voice on there, you know, the struggles that I went through as far as getting a camera, getting the money for it. It's not that I didn't have the money, I just wanted to make sure that I was, you know, financially like stable, and by purchasing the camera, I didn't want it to, you know, leave me in a hole. Honestly, I would have never started YouTube. Like, seriously, I would have never started YouTube if it wasn't for some of the people that I have on my Snapchat, especially. My girls are always hyping me up. They're always telling me to make a YouTube channel, make, you know, tutorials at least on Instagram. But I'm not really tech savvy, so I did my best. I got a lot of help, especially setting up my, you know, the camera, mirrors, monitor, all that stuff. But I'm really excited, and I'm really even more excited to have you guys watch me grow, help me grow, help me out. I know this is going to be a really fun journey. After what I did off camera, I just went in with foundation, then I contoured, you know, concealed, all that stuff. For my lips, I am, just in case you guys are wondering, I literally used a lip product that came in my Ipsy bag. I actually stopped doing Ipsy because I was just like, I'm spending $20 on makeup that I didn't pick out. Like, I could just go buy, you know, like some eyelashes or something. But anyways, I went in with this lip by Ofra. The shade is Verona. Let me see. You guys can see that. And then it does look a little bit glossy. That's because I went in with Lip Injection Extreme Too Faced. Now, when I first purchased this bottle, it really didn't look like this color. It was actually like a clear color, but because I only used this lip gloss on top of my matte lipstick that I just showed you, it's that color now. Please let me know what you think of this video in the comment section below. Follow my Instagram, follow my socials. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I really hope that you guys subscribe, because there's going to be a lot of content coming soon. I am going to be posting at least once a week until I get the hang of it more. Then it's going to be much easier to make videos for you guys. I'm just really excited, honestly, and I hope you guys are excited as I am. Yeah, so I'll be back with more videos. Thank you.